Introducing Merit Brass's high-quality stainless steel ball valves engineered for durability, reliability, and performance in the PVF industry. From one-piece to three-piece designs, we've got the solutions wholesale distributors trust. Each valve is equipped with PTF seats and meets the industry standards of ASTM A351. Our one-piece ball valve, rated at 1000 WOG, offers a compact, cost-effective solution. Its reduced port design ensures reliable flow control, provides assurances of meeting industry standards, and its 316 stainless steel unibody construction ensures corrosion resistance and long-lasting performance. Perfect for distributors looking to stock dependable, budget-friendly valves for demanding applications. The two-piece 1000 WOG water oil gas rated full port ball valve delivers maximum flow with minimal pressure drop. Its robust stainless steel build and easy-to-maintain design make it ideal for industrial systems requiring high performance and flexibilities. Distributors can rely on its versatility to meet diverse customer needs. Our three-piece 1000 WOG full port ball valve is the choice for customization, available in threaded and socket weld. With its modular design, it's easy to service and adapt in the field, saving time and costs. Built for high-pressure applications, it can help you, our wholesale distributors, supply critical systems in plumbing, HVAC, and more. Merit Brass's K-Series ball valves, manufactured in Vietnam and made by Kingdom Flow Controls, are manufactured to high-quality standards, built to perform, easy to stock, and designed to keep your customers' systems running smoothly. Visit us at meritbrass.com for submittals, dimensional information, pricing, and more. Contact our sales team at 800-726-9800 or contact us at meritbrass.com to enhance your inventory today.